Hey, my name is Larry Powell. I'm the owner of Circle P Marketing. I've talked to someone over there in your guys' office today about how I've been able to help generate leads for plumbing companies across the country. So I shot this quick screencast to kind of go over this with you guys real quick. So definitely like your guys' site. I like the look you have going for here. Couple recommendations I would have for your site would be making these phone numbers click to call. A lot of websites these days, people are searching from their cell phones. So making that super easy for them to be able to click on this number and connect with you guys would definitely help you out. Another thing I would do is put a contact form. I know you have your contact tab here, but I would put an actual contact form on this page and really all the pages you have. The more options and ways you guys have for people to get a hold of you, the better. So putting that on this home page would really help you guys out. Looking at your site also, another thing I noticed is the amount of content you have. There was a recent study done. Over 1 million different websites were analyzed who were all ranked at the #1 spot on Google. And they found 1,850 words or number of content, amount of content for this homepage is kind of that target that people need to go after. So increasing your guys' content on here would definitely help you guys out. It's these little things that can really make the difference when it comes to your guys' rankings. So looking at the search results for plumber Eugene, Oregon, you have your paid results. So this is, I do see that you guys are up here. So you have your paid results, your paid ads, and then you guys have, this is called the map packs. This is your Google Maps listings, and then you have your organic search results. And I see that you guys are currently ranked right here at 17th. So how do you fix that? I know that's what you're wondering here. So I kind of did a little bit of research for you here. Ahrefs is the tool I use, and what this does is it allows me to kind of see the back end for what you guys have for backlinks. And a backlink is, it's site A linking to site B, and in turn giving some of this backlink juice to site B, and it helps with the ranking. So it's kind of like a high school popularity contest where you have the coolest kid in school is saying that the nerdiest kid in school is okay with him, or they become friends, and in turn it makes that nerdiest kid in school, it increases his popularity. It's very, very similar to Google rankings. So looking at backlinks, you guys currently have 2 backlinks from 2 referring domains. And what you're looking for with these backlinks when you're trying to get more of these for your sites is you want them to be do follow. And what that means is you're getting that backlink juice or that popularity coming back to your site. So currently you guys only have 1 of those going to your site. Looking at some of your guys' competition, Kevin Cohen Plumbing is the #1 ranked for the Eugene area. They have a fair amount of content on their website. And looking at their backlinks, they have 65 referring domains, with 43 of those being do follow. So that means they're getting 43 votes coming back to them saying, yes, this is a good website, you should move it up in the rankings. So passing them up and getting some more of those referring domains where you're getting that link juice would definitely help you guys out with the rankings. Looking at Peterson Plumbing, they're the 2nd rated. Again, they have a good amount of content, not a whole lot, but they do have some content on there, and their backlinks, they have 16 that are do follow from 48 referring domains. They do have a fair amount of backlinks on there. And the quality of the backlinks is also super important. So their UR rating is a 25 and their domain rating is a 9. So the links they're getting are powerful. So in turn, it's helping bring those website up in the rankings. So the last thing I talked about is the maps listings. So how these map listings work is this is a combination of, or it's called citations is what it is, and it's a combination of your organic rankings and these citations. And a citation is a mentioning of your business, the name, phone number, and address somewhere on the web. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, these are all these directory websites are all examples of these citation sources. So I have this tool, it's called Whitespark, and it allows me to see what your competition is doing for citations. So you guys have 52, and you guys would probably be ranking a lot better in your map packs, but your organic rankings also really have a big play in that. So as you move up in your organic rankings, I would anticipate that you guys would also move up into that top 3 pack for your map listings. The Plumbing Works is this one right here. They have 53. And Roto-Rooter is at 24, And Peterson Plumbing is at 49. So there is definitely some competition citations wise, but if you guys were able to move up in the organic rankings with these tips I've given you today, you would definitely end up in this map pack, which again this is gold right here. It allows people to get a hold of you guys very easily. 33% of all search volume goes to this top spot right here. But being in this map pack and in this top spot, you can really capture a lot of the competition and the people who are looking for plumbers in the Eugene area. So if you have any questions on any of this, definitely reach out and let me know. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.